Good morning, everybody. I should say good afternoon. We are hitting the road, leaving this rest area with a gorgeous Pete with an oversized next to me. Just pulled in when I was doing my pre-trip. Thing is gorgeous. But I tried recording more last night. I apologize, which is in the previous video. But my GoPro died. So I wasn't even able to finish a full sentence before it completely shut off. And I apologize, but we're on the road now, leaving this rest area. We just got assigned a load, and we got to go pick it up at our terminal out in Carlisle, PA. There we go. Just making sure this guy wasn't going to try to come over last second for some stupid reason while I had that flatbed there. Anyway, like I said, we're heading to Carlisle right now to pick up a load, running back to not the same place we just delivered, not Michael's. However, it is going back to the same city, Hazleton. So, once we get on with that, we're going to be running back to Carlisle, not our terminal though, to pick up another load that's running out to Kentucky. So they got us planned on 2 loads, which is nice. So, and it sucks because I was at a rest area. There was nowhere to park. Luckily there was a spot there last night. All the truck stops were full. It was already after midnight, which I expected to be full. And we have to go up the road here just to do a U-turn up here at exit 242 to just go back the other direction. So kind of sucks, but oh well. We're gonna get on down the road here, get to Carlisle, PA. I need to throw my shades on. It's a little bit brighter than I would have liked, even though it's overcast. There we go. And we're gonna get down the road here, guys. I'll catch up with you in a bit. Alrighty, guys, we are about to pull up here to the terminal. If we can catch the screen like that, it'd be great. I would hope so. Cool, we good. We're good. Thank you, light, for staying green for us.
Turn left on Carolina Way.
Okay, I need to take a left up here, so I'm gonna go ahead and get on over in the left lane. You need on over, Crete? I don't think he does. I can't tell. Alrighty. We got 0.4 miles to take a left. No. Terminal will be out on our right. We'll be taking a left right up here after this car. Okay. Yep, I've been here quite a few times. Take our left here. Stop inching forward, Mercedes.
In 1/4 mile, arrive at 201 Carolina Way.
Asking to get hit. Alrighty. We'll be taking a right here in a second. After this one, it's this one right here. Okay, cool. I'm gonna have to put in the gate code and all that. I don't know what it is off the top of my head. I'll have to take a look at the notes, or...
Arriving at 201 Carolina Way on the right.
Either that, or... Will it automatically open for me? Nope, of course it's not. Alright, give me 1 sec. I'll be right back. I'm gonna put in the code. Alrighty, guys. We just got into the terminal. Had a problem because it wouldn't work, like the code. The one on the notes versus the one that I had on my phone, both of them didn't work numerous times. Then I finally did it on like the 5th try for the one that was on there. Either way, we got it. I don't remember where they want me to put an empty, though. That's one thing I don't remember. I'm probably just going to drop it off over here. Kind of curious which one is our trailer. I'm going to have to take a look at it here in a sec. Go all the way up here. Just going to do a nice little pull through. Pull over to the right a little bit, back to the left, straighten up. There we go. Come on, back up. All right, let's see if our landing gear is in the right spot. Yeah, that'll be good there. Cool. Go ahead and set the brakes down here, duh. All right, let's go ahead. I need to swap this over to not driving. Not driving, continue. We'll go ahead and get this dang thing dropped. It smells like manure out here. I don't know what it is. It smells like cow poop. It smells bad. Let's go ahead and drop this down. Birds. Must be either a production plant or like a sales yard for like heavy equipment, machinery and all that. Or repairs facility maybe. Right about. Let's go up one or two. Okay. There we go. Let's go ahead, get these airlines and electrical put back on. Let's grab our, whatchamacallit, fifth wheel puller. Come on. Go. And let's see. All right, let's see if we can figure out which trailer it is. Which one is that? 5-1? Okay, I need to check this real quick. I'll be right back with you guys. All right, so we're disconnected, dropping this. And it's 48953, which is, I believe, that one right there. Go ahead and raise our bags back up. Yeah, it's that one right there. 48953, cool. I'm gonna go ahead and get connected to this, and then I'm gonna run inside, use the restroom. Cool. Go ahead and turn up for it. Go ahead and get back into it. Nope, I missed it, just a hair. This pothole threw me off. Well, guys, we're here at the Carlisle yard, as I said earlier. We're gonna park here for the night because, well, the load doesn't deliver until tomorrow at 10 a.m. And we're only about like 95-ish miles away. So we're just gonna go ahead and do a little bit behind the scenes. What do I do when I usually park for the night? What do I eat? Watch some YouTube. Show you guys a little bit more personal as far as what we do. Not we, but as I do behind the scenes when I'm just relaxing or whatever. So let's go ahead and get into that. First off, let's get these curtains closed. That's always the funnest part because it sections you off from the world. Go ahead and put ourselves in the sleeper berth here. Get that done. Shut the CB off for the day. Get this other curtain closed. Go ahead and latch it. Not latch it, but it's a magnet, so get it to stick together so it looks like that. I always seal off these sides, let no light in here if you can get it that way. And then we're all closed off for the night. It's just private. It's all our little area here. So usually what I do is just sit on my phone for a while, to be honest, to start. Since we're here at the terminal, I'm gonna see if we have, I know we have Wi-Fi here, however, where's the remote? There it is. I'm gonna go ahead and see if our TV can pick up the Wi-Fi from here. I know this terminal is kind of spotty as far as where it can reach. So I'm gonna go into our menu here. Settings. Network disconnected, obviously. Network settings, come on. Ah, it just connected. Are we really only at 2 bars? I mean, it's better than nothing. I don't have to use my hotspot. So that's the perks of it. So we got the little fire going here. It's not letting me do it. Why is it just stuck? Seriously? Okay. Why is it being slow? Got some videos we're gonna watch here. I'm gonna go ahead and make some dinner beforehand though. So I'm gonna go ahead and set you guys up to where you can see. Open up our freezer here. We'll start off with a burrito. A bean and cheese burrito from Costco. Get down here, grab our bowl and our plate. There's the plate, there's the bowl. Because you gotta, at least with these, you have to cover them. So we'll go ahead and open this up here. Throw it away. I'm gonna have to empty my trash out too. So go ahead and put the bowl over the top as the lid. Get this plugged in. Go ahead and set this in here. Centralize it. There we go. And now, since I have a 1,000-watt microwave, I'm gonna have to go ahead and unplug everything from down here as far as like my refrigerators are concerned. And my power strip, it's only 3 plugs, which is nice. Go ahead and set this up for 45 seconds, almost said 45 minutes. Let that go, its cycle. And once that's done, you gotta flip it over. They're actually super good, guys. They're really high quality. If you guys have a Costco membership, I also get these breakfast burritos. It's turkey sausage, but it still tastes really good. It's got eggs in there as well. 18 grams of protein. How much do the burrito or the bean and cheese have? 13. Not bad. Cool. So we'll go ahead. We've got 8 seconds left. So honestly, this is really just what I do. I make some food and go ahead and flip this over. Watch some YouTube. Scroll on my phone for a little bit. Let that sit a sec, because again, it's a 1,000-watt microwave. It's not like a 700, so I can't just run it straight again. I usually like to give it a little bit of time to charge the battery for a second. Go ahead and start that back up. So yeah, that's really about all I do. I mean, tonight I'll be doing some editing, getting that uploaded while I'm here on the Wi-Fi. That way I can have a couple of videos out for you guys. This video you'll be seeing after the one I just recorded. Upload that as well tonight. So, yeah. Really just not much. I plan on getting eventually a PS5 or something maybe for the truck. However, with this new position that I talked about in the previous video, if you haven't seen that, go check it out. Don't really know how that's going to work. I don't think I'll be bringing one with me, so I might just get one for at home. Don't know if you heard that. I didn't let my truck sit long enough between each cycle, and that's the bad part about having a 1,000-watt microwave. Is it will trip the inverter. So it reset the TV and everything and went back to the home screen. Shut the microwave off. Actually, I didn't even see what time it was, like how much time there was left on the microwave, unfortunately. I'm gonna get it out of here and check, because it might be okay. Let's see. Yeah, it's okay. So this will usually be my first portion. Then I'll either make a sandwich or my fried rice that I have in the truck. Put some sriracha sauce in it. Chicken fried rice. And yeah, that's really about it. So I usually try to get to bed fairly soon. Not really fairly soon, but I'll be getting to bed fairly soon tonight. Get up early in the morning, deliver this load, but I'm gonna go ahead and watch some YouTube, get this video uploaded for you guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take it easy.